This 2025 Aliner Expedition rear sofa is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, spare tire kit, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, leveling jacks, refrigerator, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Aliner Expedition rear sofa is 2,175 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.